Some traders wey government demolish and scatter their building for inside Alaba international market don talk come out o.
My people, we greet una, welcome una specially to this our channel. Well, not say na latest updated updates na we dey carry come for una for this channel. So abeg, if una never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush now go subscribe and make una turn on the notification bell so that anytime like say we drop updates, una go dey notified. Abeg, make una follow us on our Facebook page and make una help us dey share our videos so that others sef go see am. Una do well. Anyway, my people, make we enter the tori wey we carry come for una.
Inside last week, update come say Alaba market for Lagos say government don dey demolish some parts o, and meanwhile some traders still get goods inside the affected areas o. Some of these traders now don fall out like this now dey talk different matter concerning this demolition wey happen last week o. According to some, dem say na 2016 government mark some of the buildings, but why e come be say na now government come begin scatter am. Anyway, my people, make I not talk too much o. I go play una the video now, make una watch and hear wetin some of these traders for inside Alaba market talk concerning the demolition wey take place last week. Make una watch the video.
They have marked so many people that are not even distressed. Those people I'm talking about, they are not distressed. So what are they portraying?
They allege that some of these buildings were marked as far back as 2016. To the elderly man, the question will be, why did they wait for so long to come this year?
Labka agency came here and start marking everywhere. And you look at most of the ones they marked, they are one of the new buildings.
As they do them now, then they call on government now, make government come intervene o, based on say the midst of where they get money now, they are stake like this. So listen to what these people get to talk for all the matter.
We are pleading on the government agencies, pleading on the state government, pleading on the local government to come to our aid, because differentiating us like this is not good, because most of us, all of us are family members. We have people that depend on our us.
Please help us, because Alaba market, the areas we are, has no problem. There's nothing like distress.
And so they talk, oh, some people they don't complain. Even the general manager for the labs sef, he talk say now they don't fit tell them, they don't fit mark am. They bring up different talk, but the people now they beg, make government come to their rescue. People dey their neck where they feed, people dey their neck where they take care of. They go chop, they go run day-to-day activity. As they destroy their shade like this, so what they want come do, where they want go? So now in these traders now they are peace, say make government come to their rescue so that they go fit know wetin they go fit help them do concerning this so demolition wey happen so. Anyway, my people, and the updates will carry come for now like this be this. How una say na reason now? Make una drop una comment for the comment section, and make una no forget to like and share o. Make una share this video so that those who never see am go see am o. Abeg, make una share this video for us. Una do well so that Facebook say go recommend am for others to see am. Una do well. See you all in our next video.
Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, friend.